There has been some people from all over the country has been through here at some point. Like there's people that come from out of California. How they get here, how they find us is still kind of a mystery to us. But I mean, there's people out in Arkansas, like I said, California, out in the Las Vegas area. We've just had people from all over end up stopping in here. A lot of these people don't know really what boudin is. They don't know really what sauce. So I feel sorry for everybody else behind us because they're gonna walk into these next boudin sausage place going, where's the pork enchilada one? You know, because they're not gonna know that that's not normal, you know? So they show up and they're like, oh, this is what boudin is and this is what sausage is, all these crazy concoctions that we come up with. And so they're gonna have a funnier story returning home than we will about them being here because this seems normal to us now, but when they go to the grocery store and they're looking around, there's like, where's the steamed syrup sausage at? And they're like, what is that? You know, so it's nice we love our locals, we love everybody that shows up around here, but it's nice getting some of those outside opinions of people who have no idea, and then us getting to kind of explain what boudin is, you know, so. We've actually had some travel writers from all over the country come in last month for Mardi Gras. These people had no clue what half the stuff was, so you know, I sliced up like our crawfish boil sausage, just got the tails and the potatoes and the corn inside of it, and you know, they barely knew what crawfish was, much less in a sausage form. They're like, this is unbelievable, because you know, it's so far out there, and so you're getting to kind of give them the end of the spectrum before they ever got to the beginning, you know? So they're like, this is what crawfish is, and you go through this, and then boom, here at the end of the spectrum is this sausage. Well, they've jumped the whole crawfish boil experience and jumped right into all of the flavors in one single bite. So it's kind of fun getting to run across some of these people that they're not really familiar with our culture. It seems so easy for us to go, oh, crawfish, they don't know what that is, you know, they don't really understand that. So it's always interesting when you run across those people who have absolute no idea of the day-to-day that we live around this area, and to be able to see them kind of enjoy and partake in that, specifically with us, it's actually pretty nice.